Hey, excuse me. Do you know who I am? I am the water cup, and I want to show you something today. Come with me. Come with me. Let me show you something.
I still wonder why we go dey follow the God. When He come destroy us, when He come steal for us, when He come make our life dey miserable, we go dey follow the God. We no even make us, we no get the power to even create even a strand of our hair. Now Him we go dey follow, all because of waiting we dey look for. Upon all the love, when the God when He create us don't show us. Upon all everything when He don't do to show us that He is the God, the Alpha and Omega. We still dey follow small God. We no go fit do anything for us. We no go fit do anything for us. Now Him we go dey follow. Tell me now who do us this thing as man? Who do us this thing as man? Why we no want this sense? We go dey follow. We go dey follow the one we won't kill us. Leave the one when come to save us. Leave the one who truly loves us. Tell me wetin God go do again when He never do for us. So you know say na Him be the God. Oh, when deserve our praise, when deserve our worship, when deserve our allegiance, when deserve everything when we dey give to the devil. When no being create us. Tell me now who do us this thing as man? Upon all the love when God show us. Upon all everything when He don't do for us. He even sent His Son Jesus Christ to die for us, even while we were still in sin. Upon all the good things when He don't do for us, to tell us say He loves us so much. Now who do us this thing as man? Tell me. Now who do us this thing? Now who do us this thing as man? When we say we go leave the one when truly love us, we go dey follow the one when He come to kill us. We go dey follow the one when He come to destroy our life. Tell me now who do us this thing? Now who do man this thing? When He no one get sense, when He no one get sense. The thing they worry me, the thing they make me ashamed, the thing they baffle me. Upon everything we wanna do for us to show us the right path. Tell me now who do us this thing? Now who do us this thing when we be saved? We no one get sense. We go dey serve the God when He no get the power, when He no get the power to do and undo. Just because of small tests, small trials, small disappointment, we go run the bad God when He make us, when He create the heavens and the earth, when He get the power to do and undo. We go dey follow small God just because of the little things when we hope to get. Tell me now who do us this thing? Now who do understand? Tell me now who do us this thing? When we be saved, we know and get sense. So tell me, we go dey run live the God when He truly love us genuinely. They follow the one when He love us to destroy us. Now who do man this? Upon all the examples when we dey see, to tell us say that man devil, he no truly love us. Yet we know they get sense every day. Plenty people they flock around, they go meet the same devil when come to kill, to steal and to destroy. Tell me now who do us this thing? Tell me now who do us this thing when we say man no one get sense? Tell me now who do us this thing? Tell me now who do us this thing? Now who do us this thing? When you be say we no one get sense to follow the God we truly love us.
I am the heron. I have long legs, a pointed mouth, and I live close to the water. I am a beautiful red bear that lives by the side of the water. Hey, do you know who I am? I am the Kudu. I am strong and large, and I have very fascinating and beautiful horns like no other. Do you know that as beautiful as we all are, we were all created equal? So you got to be thankful to God who has made everything beautiful in nature.